Look at my cute little snowflakes.
They're very cute. I really like the bottom one.
Which one? Which bottom one?
And the one that has two.
What? The one that has the diamond or the one that has...
The diamonds.
The diamond one? The rainbow one?
Yep.
Look at this one.
Very cute.
Look at that one.
Let's see. Pretty.
Which one's different?
Oh, I told you, the diamond one. The rainbow diamond one.
Which rainbow diamond thing? This one or that one? The one I just did or the one that I didn't do?
They're both very cute, but I like the one that you did before.
You mean this one?
Yep.
The one that's black?
Yep.
The one that's black?
Yep.
Yeah, me too. I like it. Why?